So today we're pulling off this motor. I got this in a group deal of a couple other lawnmowers. This one's kind of trashed and it's just missing so much, it's not even be worth it to buy the parts and resell it. So I'm just gonna scrap the rest of it, but recover as much as I can, nuts, bolts, hardware, and the engine basically. So yeah, let's get to it. So when I'm looking at it, we do have a tiny bit of oil left in here, but I don't think we have any gas. Yeah, there's nothing in there, it's dry, which is good. So that's just, you don't have to empty the gas, you just gotta empty the oil. So let's start taking off the cover plates, and then we'll drain it. All right, start with taking these off. Save these. Always reuse these bolts. Half the time when I get lawnmowers, these ones are missing, so that's nice. There's gonna be I think it's another 8 mil holding the gas tank on the bottom. That's not 8 mil. Might be a 10 mil. I think. Yeah, that's a 10 mil. Everything's just broken on here. I might save this. This is in pretty good condition. Nothing wrong with this really. Just throw out this hose. Never know, I might need this sometime. My next project or whatnot. Pop that up. I'm just gonna twist it. We get this off. Usually 8 mils also. Oh no, 10 mils. That's right. So you can take that off. I think this is a pretty standard size, so I'm just gonna keep this because no reason not to. We'll just clean it all out before we do that. Before we put on something else. You see right here we got our power assist for the. It's a front wheel drive. It's all the gearing back here. I don't know. They could save that, I guess. Might need that for the future. Where's my screwdriver at? Here she is. Just held on by one flathead. I think. Oh, nope. Okay, it's coming. It's getting loose. Okay. Oh, that wasn't really on. Ooh. Yep, that wasn't holding much on. That's nice and bent. Gonna take off this pulley system now. It looks like a 12 mil, 11 mil. That one's an 11. Is this also 11? Nope, that's probably a 14. Nope. 13. Nope. Pop that off. Take that washer with it. Keep the pulley, because why not? T25 or T30, I don't know. Yeah, T25. One thing we do need to do is get the blade off. Gosh dang it. So what I can do is just take this off. Yeah, it came like this, so that folds. Okay. And take this off. Trick I was taught, spider, is to wedge some wood in there. There's some two big daddy long legs in there. So one thing I was taught was you wedge a piece of wood in there, because to take the blade off, it's just gonna spin. So you gotta stop it somehow. And then you just break her off. Oh. Yeah, there we go. I need to break your bark. Oh, there we go. Again, I'll probably just keep the bolt, the universal. This blade is trashed. I could clean it up if I wanted to, but there's really no point. Maybe for one of my own junker ones, I'll keep it for. We're gonna do all these other bolts and nuts in here, or bolts and screws, I should say. All right, so now we're gonna take off all the screws and bolts down underneath here. Oh man. Sheared it right off. Well, that's lovely. At least it'll come off now. Old trash. Where's my screwdriver? Pop off that other one real quick. Every time I flip it over, there's more trash that comes off. Put that in there. All right. Wow, I don't even know what that. I just can show you guys. Where's it at? Can't see where I'm looking. Right there. Like a special tool, it looks like, to get that out. But for now, I'm just gonna do this. All the straps that holding the plate on right there, I can get those off. I'll do the same thing. There's one more of those straps. It's right here, isn't it? Yep. All right, I'm gonna take this small contraption off real quick. Oh, that's what's holding the engine on. Guess I snapped off that other bolt that was holding it in. Whoops. Oh, that's odd. Yeah, when I tried screwing these out, they were just spinning. They weren't coming out. Makes sense why it came off. Okay. Well, got that one last strap that's connected to it. So don't do what I did, I guess. Well, give me that screwdriver. There we go. Okay. Engine is off. What we gotta do now is remove this brake cable wire, which is pretty easy. I'm gonna get so you guys can see. Need a pair of pliers or something. I use my small pairs because they're easier. But right here, you just clump the little arrowhead together, then you should be able to pull it back through. Sometimes you gotta do it a couple times. There we go, come on. I'm gonna throw this out anyway, so that's why I'm not, don't care about it being nice or whatnot. Come on. Get out of there. Oh, great. And I pulled that up, it pushed it back through. Come on. Come on. I'll just have to take it off this end first. Okay, got that off. I'll just cut it at this point. I'm not saving it. I mean, it's honestly not a bad cable, actually. I'd probably reuse it, but take off. Oh, this just pop off. Easy enough. Okay, that just pops forward. Then it open up to this. We can just pop that out. Okay. Oh, got the engine all the way off. Good news is I can fix this one now. I gotta swap these heads, so I'll take this one off and put it on there. So if you want to see that, stay tuned.